Here we are, big dude. Okay, one more time. Here we are, big dude with a smashed nose and a funny tongue juggling. Oh yeah! Bingo! Okay. Uh-oh. We're getting serious here.
Never sit or lie on PFDs. Okay.
Why?
So for anyone else, I'd be a little pissed off. Just so you know.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Gotta get.
And here we are. This is juggling beauty. No tongue, just juggling.
No smash nose.
Look at that girl. Oh, baby, bring me in. Come on, Molly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Juggling in Lodore Canyon on the Green River with Molly, the magic magician. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yip, 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 yip. Yeah!
And then, this is what I did at the South Pole. First woman to joggle around the world, but for 2 miles. This is what I did. You ran like around the South Pole on Christmas Day.
Oh yeah!
Wow. Well, you have to.
Every now and then you do drop it.
Oh yeah! There was the South Pole right there.
Yeah. No, like this.
See?
How do you take a break?
Yeah, don't be thinking about taking the cable. Well done, Mud.
Molly the juggler. Yeah, baby. Woo!
Very nice. Very nice.